today what we got is a little day with me and my guy, Zane. This is my guy. Clean you up a little bit. Gotta get you right. Hold on. Maybe it's in my other pocket. Get you ready for camera. Yo, I love being prepared, y'all. It's lit. Let's read this book real quick, a little piece of this book, Mama can listen. Yo, yo, yo. Josie is her little sister. You like that? Let me block the sun from you. This is Josie's mom. Josie likes wearing her shoes. Oh, wow. Josie got full of personalities. Josephine Emily, but everyone calls her Josie. She loves rainbows, clip-clop shoes, and her little sister Lily. Josie has drawn a picture of tomorrow, and it's going to be the bestest, most perfect day ever. You agree, son? I agree. When Josie wakes up, she can tell things are perfect already. I'm taller than I was yesterday, thinks Josie. Yes, yes, I really am. You're not that old yet. When you get up there, we'll talk more about the rest of that. You know what I'm saying? For now, though, let's just go ahead and have a little walk and enjoy the day. You know what I'm saying? You feel me, son? All right. I like to give him a little contact. Let him know he's not alone. I'm here with him. You know what I'm saying? It gets him a little cranky, but you know, you gotta do it.
Sweet little baby. How old?
A week and a couple days. Thank you.
So cute.
Look at you, man. You getting compliments everywhere. Stretch. Stretch. Oh. Oh. You did a good job. Good job. Yo, he's strong, man. He is so strong. And I'm over here trying to stretch him out. And he's like telling me no. And he's in his hands. Yeah, you about to get the yummies from your mommy. So a good tip I learned since being a parent is to set the baby up and keep the bottle level. But doing that prevents them more than likely from gagging. Yeah, the reflux is just really not good if you don't hold them properly and wait about 5 to 10 minutes before really moving them. Man, I tell you, the other day I had Sonny and we was laying and you know, I came up close to, you know, give him a little kiss on the cheek or whatever, and my man said, wow, like all over. I said, man, he had got my pants, he got my shirt. He had just missed my face because I was backing up. Y'all watch out. I learned my lesson. You set the baby up properly, more than likely you'll be good to go. It's a nice day out though. I got my dog right here, Mace. I got my homie right here, Zane, aka Little Me. No, I don't know if I want to mention this, but I'm gonna peep this. I'm gonna let y'all know. Somebody was asking like, yo, how tall am I? And I'm 5'2". You put it like that, 5'2". I'm not that tall, but you know, I'm big. All right, so I'm about to go take Buddy for a little walk. I think he's just about done over here. We've been using non-plastic bottles. All right, so we have 3 different types, but out of the 3, we only use 2. And out of the 2, we've learned that our son enjoys the Avid bottles with the wide nipple. Personally, do I like it? Yes, I do like the bottle. It's very easy to clean. It's not a lot of parts. Oh no, it's 4 parts. So it's the top, the nipple, the ring, and the bottle. And all of it is really easy to clean. The only thing I don't enjoy about it is that after we're done cleaning it, or when I'm making the bottle and getting it warm, it is really hot. Like, so you have to handle these bottles with caution when like dealing with hot things, because it will burn you and you don't want to drop it and break it. We have a warmer, a bottle warmer, so when we have it in the bottle warmer, the glass tends to get hot before the milk even does sometimes. So you'll be dealing with the bottle and like you'll realize the milk is still not hot, so you gotta put it back in there and it's getting even hotter. So you just gotta like really be cautious when dealing with glass bottles. That's the only thing I don't like about this bottle compared to the other bottles that we were using, which is the Parents' Choice glass bottles with the silicone casing. The silicone case I thought was really nice and convenient for when we do boil it and when we getting it warm, because it makes it easier to handle, you know? So I do enjoy that more so with the other bottle versus this bottle. The other bottle, if you were wondering, because I did say I had 3 different types. The other type that we'll try probably like later on this week is the Dr. Brown's. Now the thing about the Dr. Brown, why I've been hesitant about using it so far, is that it does have a lot more pieces than what we've been dealing with, and it's a much longer bottle, so he's not drinking that much, you know. He's only drinking about 2 ounces now. This is a 4-ounce bottle, and the Dr. Brown's bottle is an 8-ounce, so he's only drinking about 2 ounces right now. So I'm not like in the biggest hurry to get into the Dr. Brown's for that reason as well. So I don't know, when we get there, we'll get there, but right now we're using the Avon bottles because that's what he likes, the Avon glass bottles. If you want to go look it up, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe as well. Okay, let me tell y'all something too. I really like this stroller. Now, we done looked at a lot of strollers. This is one of the top ones, and I tell you why. The reason why I really enjoy this one is all of the flexibility that comes with it. It'll allow him to grow even older into a toddler. You know what I'm saying? So that's really exciting. So, you know what I'm saying? You saving money. You buying one time instead of like keep on buying the same thing. So anyway, that's one reason why I like it. I'm able to like pop this out with a clip, like a click, and then like be able to transfer it into the car real easy. The stroller, it just pops open in like a matter of seconds. Some people have to deal with the hassle of like really like shaking with it, and no, mine's got a latch. I hit the latch, boom, pop it open. Not only that, it has different handles here, so my wife can stand here and don't have to bend over, which is really nice because she's a little bit taller than me. So, but look, I can adjust that joint, boom. No, it's easy for me. It's easy for me either way, because you know what I'm saying, I ain't that short, but I am short. But you know, like that. Like I don't know what I would do this for, but you know, I could do that. I could do that if I want to. So I like that. Not only that, I got 3 wheels, not just 2. I got 3. I live in a place where it's like rocky sometimes. We live in the mountains. You know what I'm saying? So 3 tires better than 2. It got this little cubby hole. You know what I'm saying? I could put all my extra gear. I could put mace in there. You know what I'm saying? I like that it has that adjustment. So look, boom, just like that. Now he's safe and secure. I got a tent here, a tent there. Peekaboo, peekaboo. Do you see that? You see that? I could always keep my eyes on him, but he got the shade, the fabric down to where it won't be able to get in his face. Get that in the cubby hole. That's why I like the cubby. Got his bottle. I put that back on the side. That's what I got it for. Oh, it's for another day, y'all. It's like a 2-day blanket. One day you see me, another day you don't. Fold that up. Cubby hole. You know what? Take this, put that back in his side pocket so he's ready. Drop top the backpack. Tighten the straps. Put on my toddy blackjack glasses, and we good to go. Go, baby. Let's get up out of here. Yo, parent stuff. I enjoy it. I know it's only the first couple days, you know, but so far so good. And I feel like parenting is most definitely what you make it, and I plan to make the most of it. So me and Buddy, we most definitely should have a good time in these next upcoming weeks, months, years. Y'all gotta stay tuned. Y'all gotta keep up with us. You know what I'm saying? Cause we're gonna be everywhere. You know what I'm saying? That's the plan. That's the goal. And hopefully, I'm gonna be able to take all my little babies with me. You know what I'm saying? Y'all can make sure y'all stay tuned and watch the journey, you feel me? Because it's gonna be lit. Got my son on the court. Hey, so I don't know if y'all can see little dude right behind me in the mirror, but we just made it back. All right, little babies, thanks for hanging out with us. We really had fun. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys stay tuned for the next time, because it most definitely will be a next time. And I'm on this parent stuff, you know what I'm saying? It's not a one-time thing. You little babies, watch. Stay tuned, all right? See y'all later. Say bye, Zane. All right. Bye. Peace.